Okay, this next demo is going to be for common tools. So this intersection point in the tree, you don't really know it's linked to that circle. When I expand the circle, all I know is that we've got a diameter of 2 inches. So what I'm going to do is go to circle, and where it asks for a center, I can right click wireframe and look for intersection. And I could create that intersection on the fly. So I do an intersect. It asks for the same things it did last time, the first and second elements. So I make sure that this is highlighted and I grab an element. Make sure this is highlighted for the second element. I grab another element and it finds the intersection of those two lines. Again, I'm going to leave it under point and select OK. See how intersection 2 is my center point, and when you look in my tree, you don't see intersection 2. It's actually buried in the intersection or under the circle. So I minimize that. Everything that I want related to the circle is going to be with it underneath the circle. So this is a more advanced technique. These other techniques are probably what a lot of people use when they're just getting going, but when you're a more advanced user like you guys are going to be, you're going to use common tools. The support here will be wireframe, and then we're going to create a plane. What kind of plane are we going to create? Plane through point. Has the same options as it's had all along, okay? So I'm going to do plane parallel through a point. I could literally select this plane right here. I don't have to go find that plane. Or I could go in my tree. I can't see the plane, but I could pick YZ right off the tree. And it's referencing the YZ. And what point am I going to use? I'm going to use that intersection point buried in the circle. So I grab this intersection point and select OK. Notice that in the tree, the plane and the intersect and the diameter are all inside one spot. Everything related to the circle will be underneath the circle. I'll change this to, I don't know, 10-inch diameter. Let's see what that looks like. Select OK. And that is how you use the common tools.